I manifested my first $1,500 per month. So before I was making around $250 every month in my teaching job. And then from there, I quit my job and I manifested $1,500. I started making that much money every month, and then it started going up and up and up. And this was, by the way, in back in 2021. So that's exactly how I'm going to explain to you how you can literally use water to manifest your dream reality. Whatever you desire, you can literally manifest everything. And it's not just about water. I'm not just going to teach you the technique, but I'm also going to teach you something really really important that you need to know in order to manifest your, like, wildest desires. Because you can think about it, right? Somebody who's making $250 every month to $1,500, that's a lot of money, literally a lot of money, right? My initial goal, when I started my business, my initial goal was to make 1 lakh rupees. That was like $1,500 back in 2021. And I crossed that within like 3 months. Within 3 months of I started manifesting my dreamiest reality, which was like making 1 lakh a month. And after that, I have manifested so many things. If you're thinking about who is she and how can she teach about manifestation, I have manifested so many things in my life. Marrying my boyfriend, who is my husband now, which was like very tough. Okay, it happened so easily. Shifting my career from a teaching job, from a teacher, to being my own boss and making up to $7,000 every month, which is somewhere around 5-6 lakhs rupees every month. I manifested my baby because I thought, pregnancy is gonna take me like way too long. So yeah, I have manifested so many things in my life, and the list goes on and on. And that's why I can teach you manifestation. I can help you, achieve what you desire, because I have done that for myself. So we are gonna divide this video into multiple parts, and I'm gonna teach you everything. So stay tuned and let's dig in. So first of all, the technique. What do you need to do? So the technique is, I took a glass bottle. Okay, you can take any bottle. For example, this bottle as well. But when you actually take a glass bottle, it's so easy. You can see the water and you can feel, the things that I'm going to tell you later. So take any kind of bottle, preferably a glass water bottle. And then I wrote a script as if I am already making $1,500 every month. Okay, with emotions, with feelings, with great details. So I wrote a script that I don't exactly remember the script, by the way, but I can tell you how it might be. Okay, so I am so grateful that I am making $1,500 now every month. Like, this was a dream of mine, and now I am making this much amount of money. I feel so grateful because I don't have to think about, how much, before spending any kind of money. I can easily spend money online. I can pay for whatever I want, and this feels so good. This really feels so good. And I'm so grateful for this. So basically, I described my feelings, my emotions, and I described my clients as well. I signed high ticket clients who are paying me this amount of money, and I'm making this amount of money every month consistently. And then I wrote other feelings. So basically, you need to write all. So basically, you need to write all the feelings, all the emotions, and whatever feels good to you about your desire. If it's about manifesting your love life, manifesting money, or whatever you are manifesting, you need to make sure that you are writing your emotions, your feelings. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so and then what did I do after that? For like straight 21 days, every single day I used to drink that water. Okay, so I used to take the bottle. That was a glass bottle, by the way. I took it here, but then it broke because something happened and it broke. I used to take the bottle and then sip the water. And before sipping the water, I used to like one thing that you need to do, the paper that you're using to write the whole script, you're gonna paste it over here, okay, in this bottle. You're gonna paste it, and then you are going to read that thing every single day with a lot of emotions and a lot of feelings, okay, feeling as if it's already done, it's already your reality right now. That's how you are going to read it. You are not going to fantasize it like, oh, I wish it could happen. No, not from that emotion and that feeling. Okay, you're gonna feel it as if it's already done, and you're gonna read the whole sentences, and then you're gonna take a sip of the water. Okay, that's what I did for 21 days straight. Now, you might think that, oh, whether I'm going to keep the whole water for 21 days and I just want to take a sip of it. Yes, I did it that way. Okay, so I kept the water for 21 days. It was filtered water and everything. So for around 15 days the water was there, and then it was slowly, of course, because I was drinking it, so I finished the whole water within like 10 to 15 days, and then I filled it again. If you want, you can actually take the bottle and fill it every day and drink the water. Okay, that's how you can do it. Also, you can take a glass as well and paste the thing over there and then sip from it every day. It depends on you. It doesn't matter how you are doing it. That really doesn't matter. Even the technique doesn't matter. I'm gonna tell you about it later. So about 21 days I kept on drinking that water and kept on reading it every day. Just after reading the whole sentences, the whole paragraph, with emotions, with feelings, I'm again telling you, with emotions and with feelings, you're going to read the whole sentence, that I am so grateful that I have already made this amount of money. I'm already making this amount of money, and I'm so grateful. And you're gonna hold it like this, okay? And I'm so grateful that this is happening, and life feels so good now, whatever the script is. And then you're gonna just sip the water every day. That's how you're gonna do it, okay? And that's exactly how I did it. My notes are here, by the way. And the fun part, at that time it felt like magic. Oh my god, I drank water, I said things, and it all happened. I manifested $1,500, and it literally felt like magic. But it was not magic at all. What I was basically doing is I was teaching my subconscious mind. So part 2, what actually happens in your brain when you do this technique. So first thing, it is not magic at all, and you don't even need to rely on any technique. This is a technique, this is a water manifestation technique, right? But this is a great way to repeat things. This is a great way to train your subconscious mind. So when you are actually drinking water every day from any kind of jar, any kind of glass, whatever it is, and when you have actually pasted your manifestation written as if it's already done, and you are actually reading it every single day with emotions, with feelings, as if it's already done, you are repeating your desire as if it's already done. And the repetition is happening, and repetition is the best way to teach your subconscious mind. And because see, the more you think the same thoughts, the more it becomes your reality. Because it's actually training your subconscious mind that this is true, this is true, this has already happened for me. Okay, I have already made $1,500. So I kept on saying the same thing again and again, with emotions, with feelings. And of course my mind started believing, my subconscious mind started believing that, yeah, it's already done, it's already done. And once your subconscious starts believing that it's already done, nothing can stop you from achieving what you really desire, because it's all about energy. It's all about your subconscious believing that anything you desire is possible for you. Everything you desire is possible for you. And that's what it did. And that's how I manifested my $1,500 per month. The third thing, okay, emotion makes memory stronger. If I say that, just do it with me, okay? What is your desire? Think about your desire. And now say it as if it's already done. Like, I'm making $1,500 rupees every month. Now say your desire that it's already done. And now you just said it neutrally, right? Now say it with emotions and feelings. I am so grateful that life has become so freaking good. I'm making $1,500 rupees every month, and it feels so good. It feels genuinely so good. Now say it with emotions and feelings, whatever your desire is. How did you feel? You felt a different kind of emotion, different kind of sensation in your body. That's your body remembering that it's already done. It's already done. But before, when you said that, your body was like, your body had no sensation, it was just neutral. And when you said it with emotion, your body was like, I felt it, thank you, I felt it, that it's already done. So it is actually training your body as well, that yeah, it's already done. So we are training your mind plus we are training your body that it is already done. So it is going to be more and more impactful and powerful if you say it with emotions and feelings. And the fourth thing, as soon as you start doing this, okay, as soon as you start doing the whole process, your brain starts filtering for opportunities. My favorite topic, I always talk about this, RAS, reticular activating system. So a part of your brain called reticular activating system, it filters information based on what intentions you have, what thoughts you have. When I continuously started saying I'm so grateful that I have already made $1,500. I like, this is my baseline, every month I'm making this amount of money. My brain started looking for opportunities, for people, for actions that I can take in order to get there, right? Instead of thinking like, how am I going to make that much amount of money? Like, I don't have clients right now. How is it going to happen? This and that. My brain stopped thinking about all those things, and my brain started looking for opportunities, for people, for clients, for the actions that I can take in order to become my higher self, who is already making $1,500. See, whatever you desire, okay, whatever the heck you desire, literally everything exists in the now. It's just about your mind believing that it's already done. It is already here. You can literally live that reality. Whatever reality you desire, you can live that reality. And once your mind starts believing in it, your brain will start looking for opportunities. And once you look for opportunities, things will start flow. Things will actually start working out for you. You will literally manifest everything you desire. So now the next part, is the water something that is magical and because of which everything is happening? Okay, there is a study on water, that water holds memory. So when you are holding the water and you are saying you are setting the intention every single day for 21 days, or whatever, however many days you can do it, like more than 21 days, 30 days as well, right? So when you're holding the water and you're setting the intention, you it's basically water is holding the memory. Okay, water is holding the memory that it's already done, and when it's going inside your body, that intention is also going inside your body with water. Okay, so any which ways it's helping you. But is water doing the magic? No, it's not the water doing its magic. It's you training your subconscious mind that it's already done for you. It's you training your body with the feeling, with the emotion, that it's already done for you. That's what it is. And it literally works like magic, because you when you do follow all the things that I told you, with emotions, with feelings, writing as if it's already done, saying as if it's already done, and then taking action towards it. Because if you're not taking action, then it's like you are sitting over here, the food is there on your plate, but you are saying, I can't see the food. And you're just sitting and waiting. I am hungry. I want my um I want to feel fulfilled. But you are not actually grabbing the food and eating it. So the opportunity is in front of you. You need to take action. That's the last part. You need to take action. Go ahead and take the action that you know you are meant to take. Okay, you are meant to take. So go ahead and take that action. Again, this is gonna help you manifest anything you desire if you do it properly, if you do it exactly the way I told you. And don't think of it as if it's a secret sauce. Okay, the secret sauce is that you need to train your mind that everything you desire is actually 100% possible for you. So it's not the water, it's not the technique, it's about learning how to train your subconscious, how to train your mind believe that everything I desire is actually possible for me. And if you loved it, if you loved my vibe, definitely go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to work with me, all the ways to work with me are down in the description box. And I'm gonna start my group coaching program very very soon. So go ahead and join the wait list. And like, you'll get insane bonuses right now, insane discount right now, because it is a founding members. So definitely go ahead and check there. And I know you're gonna manifest all of your desires, and you're going to live the dreamiest reality. Okay, so just make sure that you are teaching your brain all the time, it is possible for me 100%. Thank you so much.